Dealing with persistent body odor can feel like a silent battle, affecting your confidence and how you move through the world. You've probably tried everything, and the frustration is real. But I want to introduce you to something that's a game changer if you need that extra level of protection. This is Smell Nice. It's designed to stop acute body odor at the source, not just mask it. The result is a genuine freshness that lasts. Imagine going through your day with zero worry about how you smell. Just the freedom to move, hug, and live confidently. Try Smell Nice today, because everyone deserves to smell nice and feel amazing.
The advert you just watched was created with AI without any shooting or editing. If you've been looking for a smarter way to promote your business online, this video will walk you through a powerful tool that could change how you create content. Google Veo 3. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Veo 3 to create realistic, professional quality advert videos using AI, all without needing a camera, actors, or editing skills. Whether you're a small business owner, content creator, freelancer, or just someone curious about what AI can do for marketing, this tool gives you the ability to create polished videos that look like they were made by a professional studio completely for free. In today's fast-paced social media world, attention is currency. You only have a few seconds to grab someone's interest and tell your story. That's where video comes in, and that's why tools like Veo 3 matter. They help you create fast, eye-catching content that's perfect for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. So if you've ever struggled with content creation, or if you want to sell more by making better ads, this tutorial is for you. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to get started with Google Veo 3. We'll start by creating a solid prompt that describes what we want in the video. This includes thinking about what your business offers, who your audience is, and what message you want to share. To make this part easier and faster, we'll be using Google Gemini, an AI writing assistant, to help us generate detailed prompts for each scene. With Gemini, we can quickly come up with scene ideas, voiceover lines, character actions, and even background descriptions. Once we have a general idea, we'll break it down into individual scenes. For each scene, we'll write a simple description, include any dialogue or voiceover we want, and define the type of setting or visual we'd like to see. This planning stage is important because it helps Veo 3 understand exactly what kind of video we're trying to create. The clearer and more specific our prompts are, the more realistic and professional the final video will look. For instance, here is a sample prompt you should give Ask Gemini to develop for you. I want to create a brief advertisement video for a product called Mention the Product Name. L. Mention what the product is all about. Describe what the presenter will be doing in the video. For example, the lady speaking should be in the hair shop. I want to create this video with Google's Veo 3. Please provide me with a detailed prompt to use and what the lady should say. Describe the physical attribute of your presenter and the location, mood, camera shots, as so on. For example, you could tell Gemini, remember, she is African American. There should be a consistent cloth, facial, and complexion pattern for the lady speaking. The prompt should have video style, location, characters, main character and background character, camera shots, mood and tone, key visuals, and background music. Now, have a look at the prompt I used to generate the scenes of this advert for a body odor product. I want you to help me with a prompt to generate an ad video for my product. It should have a consistent main character. We sell perfumes and deodorants for people to smell nice and defeat body odor. The lady speaking should be in the perfume shop, holding a particular product with the name Smell Nice for people with acute body odor. I want to create this video with Google's Veo 3. Please provide me with a detailed prompt to use and what the lady should say. Remember, she is African American. There should be a consistent cloth, facial, and complexion pattern for the lady speaking. The prompt should have video style, location, characters, main character and background character, camera shots, mood and tone, key visuals, and background music. After you type a basic description of your ad idea into Gemini, it will expand it into a comprehensive scene prompt. This prompt will include several important elements. Video style. For example, should the ad feel cinematic, documentary-like, or casual? Character details. Who's in the scene? Gemini might describe their appearance, age, or even personality. Mood or tone. Should the video feel exciting, emotional, relaxed, or energetic? Camera shots. It can suggest close-ups, wide angles, or dynamic movement to add visual interest. Dialogue or voiceover. Gemini can generate natural-sounding lines to match your message and target audience. This full package of information helps Google Veo 3 understand exactly what kind of video to create. The more detailed the prompt, the more realistic and effective your final ad will be. Go ahead and copy the full prompt you've created and paste it into Microsoft Word or Google Docs. This helps you keep it organized and safe. Start by copying the main prompt, which includes the scene, subject, action, camera angle, and background audio. Once that's done, copy the dialogue separately. That's the exact words your subject will say in the video. Keeping both parts in your document makes it easier to reuse, tweak, or generate variations later without starting from scratch. Once we have our scene-by-scene prompts ready, we'll take them into Google Veo 3. We'll enter each prompt one at a time and let the tool generate a short video clip for each scene. Veo 3 uses powerful AI to bring your ideas to life, creating high-quality visuals and voiceovers that match your instructions. This part is where your plan starts turning into a real video, and we'll make sure each scene looks and sounds the way we imagined. First, head over to Google and search for Veo 3. Click on the official link from DeepMind and sign up for the free 1-month trial. Yes, you'll be asked to enter your credit card details during registration, but don't panic. You won't be charged during the trial period. Just make sure to remove your card details before the trial ends to avoid any automatic billing. Next, go to Google and search for Google Flow. Click on the official link and sign in using the same email address you used to register for Veo 3. Keeping the same account ensures everything stays connected and allows for a smoother workflow between both platforms. I've saved you the stress of searching. I've dropped all the links you need in the video description. Simply click the link to head over to the Google Flow website. Once you're on the page, click Create with Flow. Then select Create New Project to get started. After your new project is set up, scroll down to the prompt text box and click on it. That's where you'll type in the prompt that will generate your AI video. Once you open the platform, you'll notice a Pro label next to your email address. That simply means you're currently on the Google AI Pro plan. Don't panic, your first month is completely free. As a new user, you're given 1,000 AI credits to experiment with. Each video you generate costs around 20 credits, which gives you plenty of room to create multiple videos without spending anything upfront. For example, after generating several test videos, I still have some credits left. When you land on the dashboard, the first place you should go is the text-to-video section. This is where most of your video creation will happen. There are 3 key features to be aware of here. Text-to-video lets you type in a short prompt and instantly turns it into a video. Frames-to-video allows you to upload a photo and animate it with AI. Finally, ingredient-to-video gives you a more complete result by combining text prompts, frames, and sound into a single video. Now, if you look closely near the video preview panel, you'll notice an icon that resembles music controls. Click on it. and you'll find a few key settings that affect your video output. One of them is called Output per Prompt, which lets you choose how many videos you want the AI to generate from a single prompt, up to 4. While it might be tempting to select multiple outputs, I recommend sticking with just one video per prompt to conserve your credits. Right beside that, you'll also see the model options: VO2 Fast, VO2 Quality, VO3 Fast, and VO3 Quality. Each has its own strengths, but for now, let's focus on the two most commonly used ones: VO2 Fast and VO3 Fast. VO2 Fast is the lightweight option. It only uses 10 credits per video, which makes it cost-effective. However, it doesn't come with any audio. That means you'll need to record and add your own voiceover if you want the video to speak. This option is great for creators who prefer custom narration or plan to add sound during editing. On the other hand, VEO3 Fast is the more complete solution. It costs 20 credits per video, but it comes fully loaded with background audio and voice. This is the option I personally use most of the time because it saves me time and effort. I don't have to worry about recording or syncing voiceovers. It's all handled automatically. Both options are useful, but it really depends on your needs. If you're trying to save credits and don't mind adding your own voice, go with VEO2 Fast. If you want a professional ad video with sound, straight out of the box, VEO3 Fast is the way to go. Now, copy your first prompt and paste it into the text box in Google Flow. Next, go to your dialogue script and take just the first paragraph. Keep it short since VO3 currently supports up to 8 seconds of video per scene. Once you've done that, scroll back up to your prompt and locate the section where your main character is described. Right after that character description, type, "She says," then open quotation marks and paste in the line you copied from your dialogue script. That's it. Your first scene is now properly set up. Don't include the full dialogue script yet. We'll build your video scene by scene, adding new lines as we go. You can tweak the camera shots and other details depending on what you want. Make sure text to video is selected. Scroll down and click on Generate. At this point, you're probably realizing that what I'm teaching you for free is the same stuff others are charging for. So do me a quick favor, like this video and drop a comment saying, "Create more of this video if you want more tutorials like this." Now, before we preview the video you just created, here's a quick heads up. A common issue many beginners run into is character inconsistency across scenes. You might notice your character looks slightly different in the next scene. Don't panic. I'll show you exactly how to fix that in a moment. But first, let's take a look at what you just made.
Dealing with persistent body odor can feel like a silent battle, affecting your confidence and how you move through the world. Dealing with persistent body odor can feel like a silent battle, affecting your confidence and how you move through the world.
Looks amazing, right? Clean, realistic, and professional. That's your first scene. If you do not like the first generate, you can always tweak your prompt and regenerate. Click on the download button. Click on upscale to improve the video quality. Wait a few seconds and download it to your device. Now we're ready to move on to scene 2. Go back to your dialogue script and copy the next line. Remember to keep it short. just enough for about 8 seconds of dialogue. Return to your first video project in Google Flow and click Reuse Prompt. Inside the prompt, find the line where your character speaks and simply replace it with the new line from Scene 2. That's it. Just like before, only update the dialogue line. Keep everything else in the prompt exactly the same. This keeps your character, background, and styling consistent. Repeat this process for each scene until your full script is complete. Once you're ready, click Send to generate the next video clip. And depending on how many scenes you want, just follow this same method to generate the rest. Don't forget, you can experiment with different camera shots to see what works best for each scene. Play around with angles and movements until it feels just right. Let me know if you need the prompts I used for this video and I will send it to you.
You've probably tried everything, and the frustration is real. But I want to introduce you to something that's a game changer if you need that extra level of protection. You've probably tried everything.
Now, after generating all your clips, the next step is to bring everything together into one seamless video. We'll open CapCut, start a new project, and import the clips we created with Veo 3. Inside CapCut, we'll arrange the scenes in order, trim anything that's too long. Add smooth transitions between them, and if needed, include sound effects, background music, or text overlays. This is where your final ad comes together as a complete, polished piece ready to post on social media or use in your business promotions. Once everything looks just the way you want, go ahead and hit the Export button. Select your preferred resolution. 1080p is usually perfect for professional-looking results. CapCut will then render your full video into one clean, polished file ready to download or share. What did you think about this tutorial? If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. It really helps us keep creating more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.